Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw BNB from Binance to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB assets securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, let's get started with the prerequisites. Make sure you have a verified Binance account with some BNB in it, and that your Phantom wallet is set up on your device. Phantom is primarily for Solana, so if you're transferring BNB from Binance Smart Chain, you'll need to ensure the networks match. Binance might require you to use BEP20 for this transfer. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for BNB in the withdrawal options. Select it, and you'll be prompted to enter your wallet address. This is crucial. Copy your Phantom wallet address directly from the app to avoid any typos. Phantom wallets use Solana addresses, so if BNB is on BSC, you might need to bridge it first, but for direct withdrawals, ensure you're on the correct network. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Binance will show you the network fees, so keep an eye on those to make sure it's worth it. Double-check the address and details, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, don't ignore it. After that, sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Phantom wallet to see your BNB has arrived. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication, never share your private keys, and if you're new, start with a small amount. By 2025, Binance might have updated interfaces, so look for any new features like enhanced security options. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Binance to Phantom wallet. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.